Hey third graders! Today we're going to continue practicing some reading comprehension strategies, and we're going to use the book A Day in the Life of a Cowhand. We're going to continue reading that from yesterday. So after reading some of the pages, I'm going to model answering questions by going back into the text and highlighting where I found my answer. So on Seesaw yesterday, you guys read Cowhands on the Range, The Barbed Wire, and Modern Times, and you answered some questions. And today we're going to continue on with the rest of that section. So it says, cowhands spend the rest of the evening as they did the morning. They round up and care for the cattle. While they work, the cowhands are careful not to startle the cattle. If cattle get scared, they run and scatter. This is called a stampede. It can take hours to gather and calm them and get them back on the trail. And you can see some pictures that kind of show you what a stampede looks like. Before the cowhands settle in for the night, they care for their horses. The horses have worked hard all day too. The cowhands remove their horses' saddles, feed them, and release them onto the open range to relax. And the caption says, the cowhand's work is tiring, so it feels good to relax at the end of the day. The cowhands prepare a campfire, eat, and tell stories. They play cards, sing songs, and get some sleep. They need to be ready to get up bright and early the next morning, sometimes as early as 3 o'clock. Cowhands often rise before the sun. So here is a timeline of a cowhand's day. And it says a cowhand's day might look something like this. At 3 a.m., it's still dark, but they wake up, get dressed, take care of the horses, and eat breakfast. At 4 a.m., they saddle up and head out on the range to work the cattle. At 5 a.m., they herd the cattle and tend to the calves. At 11 a.m., wow, that takes them a long time. At 11 a.m., they stop for lunch at the chuck wagon. At 12 p.m., they get back to work herding cattle. At 5 p.m., they care for the horses and settle in for the night. At 6 p.m., they eat dinner again at the chuck wagon. At 6:30, they relax with the other cowhands, play cards, and tell stories. And then at 8 p.m., they get to sleep. It's another early day tomorrow. So they have a very, very long day. And here's the caption. Cowhands on many ranches still practice the old cowhand ways. Sitting around a campfire in the evening is one of them. They might even sleep under the stars. Songs on the range. You probably know a lot of old cowhand songs. Do you know Home on the Range, Red River Valley, or the Old Chisholm Trail? These are the songs that cowhands sang long ago. So now that we've read the passage, we're going to answer a few questions. And I'm going to model highlighting where we found the answer in the text and using the same color to highlight the answer. Why are cowhands careful not to startle the cattle? So I'm going to go back in the text. I'm going to skim and scan, and that just means kind of reading over it quickly. Oh, here's the word startle. Let's read this. While they work, the cowhands are careful not to startle the cattle. If cattle get scared, they run and scatter. This is called a stampede. So it looks like my answer is probably going to be in this section right here. So let's go back and read our answer choices. It causes a cattle drive. If cattle get scared, they run and scatter. This is called a stampede. I don't think that's my answer. The text does not say that, so I'm going to cross that one out. It causes a roundup. No, I don't see that, so I'm going to cross that one out. It causes a stampede. Oh, if cattle get scared, they run and scatter. This is called a stampede. So when they run and scatter, it's called a stampede, and that's what happens if they startle the cattle. So I think that might be my answer. I'm going to put a little dot right here because I still need to read the last answer choice. The cattle will eat all the grass. Nothing in here talks about them eating the grass, so I'm going to cross that one off. I think my best answer choice according to the text is C. So I'm going to highlight that in the same color I used to highlight where I found the answer. All right, the second question. Put the following steps in order for what cowhands do before they settle in for the night. So this page doesn't really talk about them settling in for the night. What about this page? Oh, before the cowhands settle in for the night, they care for their horses. The horses have worked all day too. The cowhands remove their horses' saddles, feed them, and release them onto the open range to relax. So I need to put these in order from what they do first, second, and third. So let's go back and figure out what the first thing they do is. The cowhands remove the horses' saddles. I'm going to put a 1 there, and remove their saddles is going to be a 1. That's the first thing they do. Let's see what the second thing is. Feed them. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and put a 2 beside feed them, and then release them onto the open range to relax. I'm going to put a 3 there. That's the last thing they do. And put a 3 there. So first they remove their saddles, then they feed them, and last they release them. And I put the numbers according to what happened first, second, and third. And the next question, what might cowhands do at 5 a.m.? Don't see anything about them, the time here. Let's go to the next pages. They sing songs. Oh, here's a timeline. Wonder what they do at 5 a.m. Well, let me look at my answer choices first and see what my options are. Herd the cattle and tend to the calves, saddle up and head out on the range, care for the horses and settle in for the night, or eat dinner at the chuck wagon. Well, first I need to find 5 a.m. 5 a.m. is right here. So I'm thinking the answer is herd the cattle and tend to the calves. I'm going to put a little dot beside that. But what if I got mistaken with not 5 a.m. and 5 p.m.? Care for the horses and settle in for the night. That's an answer choice too. So I need to be careful and make sure that I'm actually looking at the right time, 5 a.m. And at 5 a.m., they herd the cattle and tend to the calves. So that is my answer. And then the last question, name one cowhand song. Let's see, cowhands, they sing songs. Here's the timeline. Oh, songs on the range. I'm going to name one cowhand song, and I'm going to choose Home on the Range. Home on the Range, Red River Valley, or the Old Chisholm Trail those are all options that I could put. I'm going to choose to write Home on the Range. So I'm going to use the text box and write Home on the Range as the one cow song. I'm going to make that green because I highlighted that in green. So, as you can see, anytime I found the answer, I highlighted it in the same color I marked my answer. Yellow there, blue for this one, and green for the last one. That way, if I needed to go back and check my work, I know where I found the answer, and I'm not just guessing, I'm making sure that my answers are correct. So, that is our lesson today, and if you want to watch a video of me explaining the directions, please click on the next link.